Welcome in, I'm Sweet Phil, and I do super quick DaVinci Resolve tutorials on this channel. Today I'm showing you how to do like the typewriter write-on effect or just general write-on effect. If you need to go back and watch the video a couple times, if you're newer and you don't know all of the little stuff, watch me do it step by step. Feel free to watch it more than one time. We have generic footage here of a cop car here coming up in the future, I suppose. I don't know how old this B-roll is, but it is. So come up in the effects library, go to titles, take a text plus, put it down on the timeline. You can have, you can change the font, the color, anything you want to. Here we got new cop car driving down the road. We'll just go whatever text you want it to say. It really does not matter. Now, the first thing you need to do is determine when you want it to finish. It's going to depend on how many letters you have, how fast you want it to type out, and all that good stuff. I'm going to kind of pick a random point over here, I guess. We'll have it finished by that time, and we're going to make text a little bit longer. So now that you're over in the inspector, make sure you have title selected, you have the text plus selected, and then you actually just want to scroll down here until you see write on. You see it right here. This is where we want it to finish. So as long as you have these dots all the way at the end, click the diamond right next to that. That sets a keyframe. That tells the computer that you want it to do something right at that point, and you want it to be finished with what it's doing. Now come over back to the beginning and go ahead and just drag this all the way over to the left. And you actually see it going backwards. That's because you're telling it where you want it to be. But we want it to be all the way with nothing there. So now that that's done, we can go ahead and go back and see how fast this will render for me here. And you can see it go ahead and write on. It's not barely choppy because my computer's not the fastest. We'll go one more time so you can see. And you can see it goes ahead and typewriters that write on at the speed however long you have it set to do.